So you witnessed that other prisoners were forced to kneel, punched, a plastic bag would be tied over their head in order to induce suffocation, and the bag would only be moved when they begin to struggle or breathe. Can you confirm that?
您在口供里面谈到，就是说维吾尔囚犯呢，就是把塑料袋绑在他们的头上，也等到一直他们就是说呼吸不了的时候，才把这个塑料袋就是拿掉。您可以就是证明这是您说的吗？Yes, I can confirm.
You also mentioned that sometimes their limbs were tied and water pipes were inserted in their mouth to force water into their lungs. Can you confirm that?
您也说，就是说他们把那个水管子强迫的，就是灌在他们的那个肺里面，就是水呢强迫的灌肺。您可以证实您是这样说的，对吗 ？Yes.
You also witnessed that the police was using electric rods, which were connected to a male's penis in order to electrocute those parts. Correct?
您也谈到，就是说用这个电这个男人的性器官，这是对的吗 ？Yes, correct.
Also, prisoners were left to starve, and some food was offered in order to taunt them. Correct?
Could you please just repeat again?
And sometimes they let the prisoners starve, and from time to time they offered them some food in order to tease them. As part of the torture.
Pardon, I couldn't hear clearly for some reason.
I think the word starve may have not been audible quite.
So the prisoners were starved. Is that correct?
Yes.
Is that the question?
Yes, the prisoners were starved.
Okay. 有些时候的他们就是不给犯人吃饭，让他们就是受这个饥饿的痛苦，对吗 ？Correct.
Did you witness any of the prisoners going crazy or mad as a result of the torture?
因为这个苦刑的原因，你有没有看到任何囚犯被就是疯了，就是失去整个的就是这种现象，就是发疯的现象 ？Yes.
Did you witness any prisoner dying as a result of torture?
你有没有看到任何囚犯就是因为毒打死的情况？I didn't see with my own eyes.
But have you heard about it?
听说过了吗 ？Yes.
And did you witness any